Hi, my name is Dani and I'm Head of Technical for Proton SA, and we strive for best customer service every day. So the whole process for Proton SA will be, you go to our proton.cars and go look for your nearest dealership. Make a booking and you can book your vehicle in at any of those dealerships. Once you book in your vehicle, you can talk to your service advisor, check your vehicle if it's got a service plan, and then we can service your vehicle immediately. Our staff is highly trained. For the last year, we have over 200 trained staff and should be qualified to service your vehicle to the best quality standards. Within your inspection of your services, you'll find that we only use the best products. As you will see, it's Proton brand, and that will ensure quality on your vehicle for as long as you drive your vehicle. After the service, your vehicle will be cleaned and handed over to you, ensuring you the best quality of services and reliability for your vehicle. So please visit our website www.proton.cars to ensure the closest dealership to you to get the best customer experience.